We heard about the situation in Haiti where there's a lot of plastic bottles being thrown on the streets or put into landfills because people don't have available clean sources of drinking water.
One way that we're innovating, we're bringing a social impact to the materials that we're using. So we took on the effort to help bring up a recycler in Haiti so that we could use their material in our cartridges. The recycling solutions that we have in place are second to none. There's no one doing the kinds of recycling that we are doing. And then closing the loop is something that's unique to the industry as well.
Closed loop is basically giving us the way that your end-of-life product comes back to us.
The first step in closing the loop is recycling the cartridges that are sent back to us by HP customers. We basically go in reverse of the manufacturing steps, taking the label off, taking the lid off, taking the foam out, and recovering the plastic. The cartridges are put into a machine that shreds the cartridges, and then they go through a series of processes which separates the materials.
We want to make sure nothing goes to landfill. Once we have the material separated, we take the plastics from HP print cartridges, combine them with recycled plastic bottles, and send it to Laverne.
At Laverne Group, we take the end-of-life bottle that we chopped up. It comes in small flake. We go through washing. From that, we then incorporate our additives, our secret recipe, and we go through our process of blending and compounding the product. Once it's finished, it goes into our extrusion process, basically an oven that melts the plastic, and then at the end, you've got it looks like big spaghetti coming out of there, and we've got cutters that cuts them in little pellets.
That material then is sent to HP where it is molded into HP cartridges, and then it goes to the manufacturing lines where it is assembled into an HP cartridge, packaged, and then closing the loop as new original HP inkjet cartridges.
At HP, we share this commitment that nothing will go to landfill, and we're all taking time to do our part for the environment.